Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Bumble. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Bumble and you will click in this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone.